A very good afternoon to all of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
So we are coming to the lesson page number 13. You see, I think all of you have completed your assignments and projects. Next week, I will call you. Next week, I will give you a date to submit all the written works. All the written works. So please check it, everything, and pack it, and you bring it. Portfolio, all the investigatory projects, English maths assignments and activity, art integrated assignment, internal grade assignments, physical education, general studies, work education, internal assessment file, your answer scripts on a file. These many things are necessary. Some students have sent me message whether what they should do, the PPT. You just take a printout of the PPT and staple in a booklet form. Some students have asked me, PPT is in landscape, whether we should change into portrait. No problem. If you have made landscape, take the printout in landscape and staple in landscape model. If it is a portrait, you take the portrait. You need not work out on that. Take as it is. Once again, I inform you, periodic file. If you do not know, please note it. One is periodic, portfolio. Number one, portfolio. Portfolio. What are there inside? In the portfolio, your creative works. Your creative works, maybe your drawings, maybe a poem, maybe a story, maybe a collage, your creative works. And there should be one biodata, first page. It should be punched and kept inside a paper file. On the top of the paper file, you have to paste an A4 sheet. A4 sheet, which should be colored and written there in a beautiful way, portfolio, on the cover. Then at the bottom right, you write your name, class, year. Your name, next class 11, 2020-21. Portfolio is over. Number two, investigatory projects. Physics, chemistry, biology. 3 investigatory projects for the science students. Commerce students, accountancy, banking, economics. Accountancy, banking, economics. Humanities students, economics, political science, psychology. Psychology. Then those who have opted IP, for them IP. Those who have opted computer science, they have computer science in all the ABC. Clear now? These many investigatory projects. Its heading should be like that, investigatory project. Then assignments. English, maths, applied maths. English, maths, applied mathematics. For humanities, there is project for fashion studies, home science, extra. Those who are there with, I think work is given to you, isn't it? Meghna? Fashion studies, practical work is given to you. File is there, 2 files are there. Home science, it is there. For mathematics and applied mathematics, there are some activities given to you. That should be stapled in a booklet form. No need of spiral that. Booklet form. Okay? Then art integrated assignments of 2-3 pages, subject-wise. As many subjects you have, each subject 1 assignment, not large one, 2 or 3 page with the picture. It should have a normal cover, A4 sheet cover page with a stapled on left side, 3 staples. Booklet form means, look here. Booklet form is here, 1 staple in center, 1 on the top, 1 on the bottom. This is booklet form. When you take the A4 sheet, on left side, center 1 stapler, on the top, on the bottom. This is what is called a booklet form. For art integration assignments, you have to keep an A4 sheet outside. Make a box right there. Art integration assignment in English. Next line, the topic you have to write. Comparative study on Himachal Pradesh and Kerala authors. Literature. Whatever be there, you have written. Clear now? You need not spend much time on that cover page. Inside it should be neatly presented. In this way, all the subjects, art integration assignment in physics, in political science, in accountancy, then what is a topic? Always write your name, class without division. Name, class 11, year 2020-21, always on the right bottom here. Okay. Next, internal grade assignment. Internal grade assignment. This is also of 2 or 3 pages with the picture. If there is picture, including picture, 3 pages is enough. Maybe it can be 1 page also. There are 3 subjects. Physical education. Note it down. Physical education. Work education. General studies. Topic I have already given to you. Personal hygiene, my favorite athlete, or like that. I have given you certain topics, isn't it? 2 topics I have given. So those will be 6 1. 3 into 2, 6. This is internal grade assignment. Next one, internal assessment file. Internal assessment file. It includes all your online answer scripts. If you have missed 1 or 2 paper, don't try to do malpractice. Original sets. Don't make some other answers and keep. Don't do it. Original ones, whichever you are kept there inside. Okay. That is internal assessment file. These are the major things you have to submit. You check it, whether it is with you. Investigatory projects and subject-wise assignments, not art integration. English, maths assignment and other investigatory projects should be spiraled. Other things need not be spiraled. If you have done any spiral, suppose you can do, if you want, you can do spiral. All the art integration, all the subject-wise art integration projects are there. Together with, you can make a single bigger stapler or single spiral, no problem. Clear now? You have 5 art integrated assignments, isn't it? Project. But together you can keep it one after another, you can keep it and staple it. No problem. Or you can spiral it. It is not necessary spiraling. If you can staple it, is okay, well and good. Even though it is kept separate, no problem. All the 5 you keep together and put a rubber band. Clear now? This you have to do very clearly, strictly, because the same thing you will have to repeat next year. Repeat means not the subjects. The work should be repeated. So if you do strictly this year, next year your work will be easy and better. So all should be done in its proper way. Other than this, next year you will have to write records. You will have to write the records. That records you are not writing this year. That next year you will write it. So you know how much work you have to do other than regular studies. Gauri, can you see me? Can you see me? Okay. Okay, so other than regular studies, you have to do this much work. Now you got the point. Plus your science records, computer science records. Clear now? Okay, this work should be completed, and next week I will give you a date. On that day you have to come and give me the pack. I will collect the pack only, and you have to submit it. Okay, clear? Okay, now we are coming to the lesson. Next week onwards we will go with a tight schedule, because our target is January 30th. We have to finish the portions. So all the incompleted subjects will be going in a tighter schedule. Then only we will be able to begin our +2 on right time. Corona is running its 10,000 kilometer race behind. The Shigella is racing on the 2nd place. Now another one is fast spreading Corona is ended the track. Clear now? I don't know, something more is coming on Aishwarya. The 3 are running the races. So all should be vigilant. Reina Mariam, see, she is sitting with a mask. Very good. So it is a model to others also. All should, not in the classroom, but all should use mask. I have seen, last day I went to, this is a general idea for you, because the situation is like that. Yesterday, day before yesterday, I went to a shop. So one person had kept his, where is my mask? His mask, it is in the bag there. So the mask he has kept down to the nose. Mouth is closed. Nose was open. He was standing in front of a shop, grocery shop. I went to that shop with a covered face, with a covered mask. So I saw him. I did not make any comment. After 1 minute, what did he do? He kept his mask on the top of his nose. Then he made a comment. ഈ ആൾക്കാരോട് മാസ്ക് വെക്കാൻ പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് എന്താ കാര്യം? എല്ലാം ഈ വായ്ക്ക് താഴെ വെക്കുള്ളൂ. He was keeping the mask below his nose. And he kept it up and he made the comment. What I mean is that use the mask always when you go out. Take a little hot water, warm water, hot water, no, warm water, lukewarm water, always at home. It is better to put some chukku there or some pepper, little bit. So some protection will be there. Drink some water. Take some precautions. Don't get into all the shops and malls and theater are open. Don't rush to any place. +2 is coming. 1 year you enjoyed at home. Now you have to be serious in the coming days. So take care of yourself. Take your health. Okay. Okay. So let us come to the lesson now. In the last class, we had seen page number 13. I had no need to follow her hand. The girl showed the room and said, I knew which things she meant. I just looked at the still life over the tea table. As a child, I had always fancied the apple on the pewter plate. We use it for everything, she said. Once we even ate off the plates hanging there on the wall. I wanted to so much, but it wasn't anything special. I had found the burn mark on the tablecloth. The girl looked questioningly at me. Yes, I said, you get so used to touching all these lovely things in the house, you hardly look at them anymore. There we stop. Gayatri, you get so used to touching all these lovely things in this house, you hardly look at them anymore. One sentence I want to teach you today. What does it mean? Gayatri. Only one sentence I want to teach you today. What does it mean? Michael, what does it mean? That one sentence, what does it mean? Hello, Michael. Can you hear me? Hello. How are you? I'm fine. Then what does it mean? I can't hear. Any problem with your mic? Unmute.
Well, sir.
Eh?
I'm not sure.
I am not sure. When are you become sure about the things? Achyut? After going to Tirupati, Achyut is so tired. So switch on the, unmute the mic.
Sir, for us sometimes like 10,000 rupees will be very huge. But for a very rich person, it will be nothing.
Oh, it is not the question of rich and poor. Aishwarya, can you tell me?
She used it every day, and now she barely take care of the things. She doesn't take much care of it.
Meenakshi, where is Meenakshi? Kindly unmute. What does it mean?
Sir, I think the girl will take it back.
No. You see, take the sentence. You get used to touching all these lovely things. Underline. Get so used to touch. Then next part. You hardly look at. This is the point. See, you used to touch. What is the meaning of the phrase used to rejoice? What does it mean? Used to touching. Rijas, what does it mean? Where is he? Punya, what does it mean? You used to touching.
We only value the things when we don't have them. We only know the value of things when we don't have them.
No. I am asking the meaning of that usage. Used to touching. Who can say?
So often.
Often. Gauri?
Now she is not doing that.
Let there be mistake. No problem. You speak out.
She is not presently doing that.
Now she never touches it.
Your voice is breaking.
She used to touch means now she never touches it.
Now she doesn't touch. Formerly used to touch. Now it is not there. Here physical touch is here, but touch of the heart is not here. I will tell you. You are sitting on your chair and you are attending my class. From 150 onwards, you are attending my class. Am I right? Attend very carefully. From 150 onwards, Sandhana, you are attending my class. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now it is 2:15, 2:15, half an hour. Half an hour means how many minutes? 30 minutes. Naureen, how many seconds? Mathematics. Half an hour, 30 minutes, how many seconds? 30 into 60, 1,800 seconds. In this 1,800 seconds, how many times you remembered that you were sitting in a class? How many times you remembered that you were attending a class? Not a single minute. Just now you remember, oh, I was attending a class. That means when you get in a thing, use used. You will do as a mechanism, but you will not get aware of it. Clear now? So here the girl and her mother were using these things every day as a normal thing. And they don't consider it that they were using such a valuable thing, something for others. That is why you used to touching things as a normal thing and hardly look at them. And what is the meaning? Did not, hardly means did not look at them. Without looking at, how can they take it and use it? Elvina, without looking at, how can they take it and use it? Tell me the answer. When I call your name, switch on, unmute your mic. Without, they say hardly look at them. What does it mean? You see, here it is literature. You have to understand the meaning. I saw a man. I am going away from the textbook. This concept I want to teach you. I saw a man. I looked at his eyes. Do you understand? Srihari. Here, yes, what sir. Does it mean? What is the difference between these two sentences? I saw a man. I looked at his eyes.
I saw means he's just looking, and seeing means he's noticing him. I see means he's like intentionally looking. Intentionally.
No. You see, I will take you to Mahabharata. You see, we are going from here to Mahabharata now. Only for this sentence. The great archery trainer, Drona, called the Pancha Pandavans. Who are they? Yudhishthir, Bhishma, Arjun, Nagul, Sahadev. 5 people. They are going to do their tests on archery. And Drona called Yudhishthir, Are Bede Baba, come here, and gave the bow and arrow to him and asked him a question. Aim it. Drona told, aim it. He pulled it. Then Drona asked, what do you see there? What do you see there? Yudhishthira was a very nice man like Joshi sir, isn't it? Yudhishthira told, Acharya, my dear sir, Acharya, I see a Neela Asman, a blue sky. How beautiful it is. Dronacharya told, don't do work hard. Give me my arrow and bow. You go and take your seat. Yudhishthir went and sat down there. Then he called, Bhishma, my dear strong man, muscle man, come here. He gave the arrow and bow to him and told, aim it. Bhishma, like a lion, he pulled the bow and arrow. Acharya asked him, Bhishma, what do you see there? Bhishma told, I saw a tree, large tree, like my body, very large tree, fantastic. Acharya told, give my bow and arrow, take your seat. He went. Then he called, Nagul, come here. He gave the same thing. He asked the same question. Nagul told, Acharya, I see a cage there on the tree. Cage. Drona told, come here. Give my arrow and bow. Go and take your seat. You are good. Then he called the youngest one, Sahadev, come here. My dear Lalda Beta. What do you see there? Acharya, I see a green parrot. A green parrot. Sabash! Sabash! Sahadev, go and take your seat there. Then he called at last his loving, most loved disciple. Who is the one? Arjun. Who is the Arjun here sitting? Anyone is here? Any Arjun is here? Drona is standing here. Drona is standing here. Any Arjun is here? So he called Arjun, come. He came. Then he asked, Arjun, what do you see there? Arjun told. He did not say Acharya or anything. What do you see there? I. Short. You see, 2 words. What do you see there? I, not ice. I. Shoot. He sent the arrow. The parrot fell down. That is why in archery on the board, center there will be a red dot. Have you seen? Many circles will be there. Center there is a dot. That is this parrot's eye. Arjun looked at the eye. The others saw. When you see at a stretch, at a moment, you will see many things. When you look, you will see only one thing. Do you understand? This is literature. This is what is called literature. This is the difference between see and look. Looking is on a particular point. Seeing is to a particular area. I see you all. At a stretch, I see 35 students here. I see you all. I look at one person. You see, now you read it. Now you will understand the meaning here. Used so to touching all these lovely things, but you hardly look at them. Do you understand the meaning now? You only notice when something is missing because it has to be repaired because you have lent it, for example. When you miss something, you search it. You feel that you had something. You had a nice Parker pen. Every day you are using it. One day it is not there on the table. Then only you remember that you were writing with a Parker pen, isn't it? Every day you are using with that pen. You were not aware about it. When it is missed, you became aware. You see, you notice when something is missing because it is to be repaired or because you have lent it. Again, I heard the unnatural sound of my voice and I went on. I heard the unnatural sound of my voice. Adul, what is that? I heard my unnatural sound. What does it mean?
Strange sitting in that room.
What does it mean? I heard the unnatural sound of my voice. What is the natural sound of my voice? This is my natural sound. You are speaking to me, your natural sound. What is the unnatural sound? Punya?
Voice of the mind.
Voice of the mind, inner voice. What my mind speaks to me. The remembrance, the memorials, the memory. You see, I remember my mother once asked me if I would help her polish the silver. When I saw these things, I remembered once upon a time, very long time ago, before, my mother asked me to polish the silver cutlery. It was a very long time ago, and I was probably bored that day, or perhaps I had to stay at home because I was ill, as she had never asked me before. So on that day, she was there at home. She was there at home. At that time, mother asked her to polish. I asked her which silver she meant, and she replied, surprised, that it was the spoons, forks, and knives, of course. Silver here means spoon, fork, knives. And that was the strange thing. I did not know the cutlery we ate of every day was silver. That time only I realized that we were using silver spoons, silver forks, silver knives. My cutlery was made of silver. When it was given to me for washing, then only I became aware of it. Okay? The rest we will see tomorrow. Next class. Thank you.